नमस्ते।
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 Simi, what are you doing?
नमस्ते।
Where is that flower coming from?
नमस्ते।
Namaste, sir. Namaste.
नमस्ते।
Okay, I think most of you are here, so let's start.
नमस्ते सर।
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighna Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Okay. Let's start. Just recap of yesterday's shlokas. Okay. Naina.
सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
Very good. Manya. Manya. There. Hansika. Where is everybody? Pranil.
सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वतसाधिके
सर्वार्थ साधिके
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
Diya. Thank you. Diya.
सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये
Shive Shive Sarvartha
सर्वदा
Sarvartha Sadhike
साधिके
Sharanye
शरण्ये
Trambake Devi
त्र्यंबके देवी
Narayani Namostute.
नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
Thank you. Simhi.
सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
Thank you. Sanjana.
अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शंकरा
प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती।
Okay. Parnika.
अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षदेहि च पार्वती।
भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती।
भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती।
तेजस।
अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञान वैराग्य सिद्ध्यार्थं भिक्षं देहि च पार्वती।
भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती।
भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती।
Thank you. Jashwin.
अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे
Slow down. Pranavallabhe.
ज्ञानवल्लभे
No. Shankara Pranavallabhe.
शंकर प्राणवल्लभे
Pranavallabhe.
प्राणवल्लभे
Yeah. Next.
ज्ञान
Vaira.
वैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च
Jashwin.
पार्वती।
Jashwin, slow down. Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Bhiksham Dehi cha Parvati.
भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती।
Dehi cha Parvati. You're rushing too far. Okay, that's why mistakes happening. Rohika.
अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्य
Jnana Vairagya
सिद्ध्यर्थं
Bhiksham.
भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती।
Thank you. Datta.
अन्नपूर्णे सदा
Anna.
अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे
Pranavallabhe.
प्राणवल्लभे
Jnana
ज्ञानवैराग्य
Vairagya Siddhyartham
सिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती।
Thank you. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Bhiksham Dehi cha Parvati. Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Okay, with that, we will move to the next ones. Today we will learn some shlokas about Saraswati. Okay, who is Saraswati? Yeah, Dhriti and Deepti.
She is the goddess of knowledge.
Okay, thank you. Ira.
I was gonna say goddess of knowledge.
Okay, Vaishnavi and Ram. No, Srijan.
If you step on baby, you're stepping on her.
What?
If you step on baby, you're stepping on her.
Okay. Pranil.
So Saraswati, she is actually the goddess of education, and so she is on like a lot of stuff.
Thank you, Praveen. Okay, so Saraswati is Brahma's wife, okay, and she is the goddess of knowledge, Vidya, okay. So all these studies, before we study, we worship. For education, study, knowledge, we worship Saraswati, okay. So let's learn couple of shlokas, okay. Saraswati namastubhyam. Saraswati namastubhyam. Varade kamarupini. Varade kamarupini. Saraswati namastubhyam. Varade kamarupini. Saraswati namastubhyam. Varade kamarupini. Vidyarambham. Here there are two words, Vidya Arambham. Okay, Vidya Arambham. When you join it, Vidyarambham Karishyami. Vidyarambham Karishyami. Siddhirbhavatu me sada. Siddhirbhavatu me sada. Saraswati namastubhyam. Varade kamarupini. Vidyarambham karishyami. Siddhirbhavatu me sada. Vidyarambham karishyami. Siddhirbhavatu me sada. Saraswati namastubhyam. That means Saraswati namaste. Varade kamarupini. So the one who gives, blesses us with all our desires. Whatever the desires we have, she gives us all those boons. Vidyarambham karishyami. That means Vidya is studies. I'm going to begin my studies. Karishyami. I'm going to start my studies. Siddhir bhavatu me sada. Okay. Make that successful. Okay. Always. Make that always successful. So you can chant this shloka before starting your studies. Okay. Saraswati namastubhyam. Varade kamarupini. Vidyarambham karishyami. Siddhirbhavatu me sada.
Saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini vidyarambham karishyami siddhirbhavatu me sada.
Thank you.
Saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini vidyarambham karishyami siddhirbhavatu me sada.
Good. Focus on heavy sounds, okay?
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Thank you. Shreya.
Saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini vidyarambham karishyami siddhirbhavatu me sada.
Thank you. Sai. Shivashankar.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
Thank you.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
Akshit.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
Thank you. Neha, Nishta. What are you doing, Komadi?
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
Thank you. Okay, who else I missed?
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Thank you. Thank you, Sai. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Okay, it is again Saraswati. Here we are worshipping Saraswati as Sharada. Okay, Sharada Devi. Okay, Sharada. She's again Saraswati form. Sharada Sharadambhoja. Sharada Sharadambhoja. Vadana Vadanambuje. Sharada Sharadambhoja. Vadana Vadanambuje. Vadana Vadanambuje. Sarvada Sarvada Smakam. Sarvada Sarvada Smakam. Sannidhi Sannidhim Kuru. Sannidhi Sannidhim Kuru. Sharada Sharadambhoja. Vadana Vadanambuje. Sarvada Sarvada Smakam. Sannidhim Sannidhi Sannidhim Kuru. Sarvada Sarvada Smakam. Sannidhi Sannidhim Kuru. Sharada Sharadambhoja. Vadana Vadanambuje. That means the one who has eyes like lotus. Okay, and again from lotus, from face like lotus in the autumn season. Okay, and Sarvada Sarvada Smakam Sannidhim Sannidhim Kuru. That means at all times bless us with prosperity and take us near to her. Okay, Sannidhim Kuru. So take us near to her. Okay. Sharada Sharadambhoja. वदना वदनाम्बुजे सर्वदा सर्वदास्माकं सन्निधिं सन्निधिं कुरु. So who did not try today? Okay, Dhritya and Deepti.
शारदा शारदं भोजा वदना वदनाम्बुजे सर्वदा सर्वदास्माकं सन्निधिं कुरु.
Thank you. Anna.
Okay. Sarada,
Shavada
Saradamboja,
Shavadamboja
Vadana,
Vadana
Vadanambuje,
Vadanambuje
Sarvada,
Sarvada
Sarvada Smakam,
Sarvada Snakam
Sannidhi,
Sanditihi
Sannidhim Kuru.
Sanditim Kuru.
Thank you. Who else did not chant? Anisha and Trisha.
Sarada Saradamboja Vadana Vadanambuje Sarvada Sarvadashmakam Sannidhim Kuru.
Can you repeat the first line again, please?
Sarada Saradamboja.
No, it's not Sarada. You have to say Sha. Sharada, Sharadambhoja.
Okay.
Who else did not try today? Did everybody do?
Sharada Sharadamboja Vadana Vadanambuje Sarvada Sarvadasmakam Sannidhim Kuru.
Thank you. Shri.
Sharada Sharadamboja Vadana Vadanambuje
Vadana.
Sarvada
Vadana Vadanambuje.
Vadanambuje Sarvada Sarvadasmakam Sannidhim Kuru.
Okay. Hansika.
Sharada Sharadamboja Vadana Vadanambuje
Vadana. Vadana.
Vadana Vadanbuje
No.
Sarvada
No. Vadana.
Vadana
Vadanambuje.
Vadanambuje Sarvada Sarvadasmakam Sannidhim Kuru.
Thank you. Sharada Sharadambhoja Vadana Vadanambuje Sarvada Sarvadasmakam Sannidhim Kuru. Okay. So Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhirbhavatu me sada. Sharada Sharadambhoja Vadana Vadanambuje Sarvada Sarvadasmakam Sannidhim Kuru. Okay, there is one more. Can we try one more today? Okay. Namaste Sharada Devi. Namaste Sharada Devi. Kashmira Puravasini. Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prarthate Nityam Tvamaham Prarthate Nityam Vidyadhanam Vidyadhanam Cha Devi Me Vidyadhanam Cha Dehi Me Vidyadhanam Cha Dehi Me Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prarthate Nityam Vidyadhanam Cha Dehi Me Namaste Sharada Devi. That means Namaste to Sharada Devi. Okay. Namaskara to Sharada Devi, Kashmira Puravasini. So the one who is residing in, who resides in Kashmira. And okay, there was a temple. Okay, there is a famous temple. Okay, Saraswati Sharada Devi temple in Kashmir. Okay, in Kashmir. Unfortunately, that's been almost completely destroyed now because it's now occupied by, that area is occupied by Pakistan. So it's almost completely destroyed, that temple. It was one of the Shakti Pitas. Okay, Shakti Pitas means Devi's special places. Okay, so Shakti's those places, and one of them was in Kashmir. Okay, unfortunately that temple is destroyed. So that's this shloka is about that. Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini, the one who is residing in Kashmira. Tvamaham Prarthade Nityam Vidyadhanam Cha Dehi Me. If we pray to her daily, Prarthade Nityam, Nityam is daily, Vidya, that means knowledge, Dhanam, that means gift, Dehi Me, give me. Okay, so Saraswati, we worship her, the one who resides in Kashmir. For that Saraswati, we worship her for our Vidya, that means for knowledge. Okay, Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prarthate Nityam Tvamaham Prarthate Nityam Vidyadhanam Cha Dehi Me. Simi, any questions? She is not listening. Okay.
Oh, is in Vidyadhanam Dehime, is it Vidyadhanam or Vidyadanam?
Should be Dhanam, I think. One second. Dhanam, I think. The normal the. Probably got it wrong. Dhanam normal the. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody want to try? Yadriti and Deepti, please.
Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prarthate Nityam Vidyadhanam Cha Dehi Me.
Okay. And who's next? Did I click anybody? Okay. Hansika.
Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham pratate nityam vidya danancha dehimi.
Thank you. Anya,
Namaste Sharada Devi
Sharada,
Kashmira
Sharada,
Sharada Devi Kashmira
Kashmira,
Purvasan
Kashmira,
Kashmira
Puravasini,
Puravasani
Tvamaham,
Twamaham
Prartate,
Pratate
Nityam,
Nityam
Vidya,
Vidya
Danancha,
Danancha
Dehime.
Dehime.
Thank you. Sanjana. Sanjana is there but not answering me today. Saket and Lola.
Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Twamaham Pratate Nityam Vidya Danancha Dehime.
Vidya.
Vidya Danancha Dehime.
Thank you.
Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini
Pura.
Puravasini Tvamaham Prartate Nityam Vidya Danancha Dehime.
Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prartate Nityam Vidya Danancha Dehime. Okay. I think that's 3 shlokas is good for today. Okay. Where do we go next? So I'm going to talk one controversial topic now. Okay. But you need to know this. Okay, so I said here, you remember this one, right? Shruti, Smriti, 2 parts and everything. I said here, Shrutis, mantras can only be chanted by people who have Guru's Upadesha. That means Guru's initiation. Guru has said it's okay, right? So that Upadesha is normally in that Upadesha is normally in our Dharma. Our Dharma, what it means is there are different classes, okay? People are of 4 different classes, normally of 4 different classes. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, okay? 4 different classes. Here, the Shrutis learning is allowed for the first 3. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Sorry, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, those 3 can learn. Okay, Shudra is not allowed to learn Shrutis. They can learn Smritis. Okay, Smriti is for everybody. Shrutis is only for Brahmana, Kshatriya, and Vaishya. Okay, 3 groups. So Brahmana class. So this is how our dharma is. Okay, today if you go anywhere in India or anywhere, Hindu dharma, normally there is two types. People say Brahmin, non-Brahmin. Okay, so there is two parts mainly. And then there is India is full of caste system. Okay, caste system is nothing to do with our religion. Okay, so all the castes you see, there is nothing to do with our religion. Our religion has 4 varnas. They call it varnas. Varna, literal meaning means color, but here the meaning is, varna's meaning is, it means the character. Okay, the duties. Okay, that's what the varna represents. So there are 4 varnas: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. The first 3 can learn Shrutis. All 4 can learn Smritis. Okay. So Brahmana, his duties mainly, I'm talking only the main duties. Okay. Brahmana's main duties is learning Vedas and teaching Vedas. Okay. Those 2 are main duties of Brahmana. And Brahmana is normally not allowed to accumulate wealth or anything. Okay. He cannot accumulate wealth. Okay. Then the next group is Kshatriya. Kshatriya is the protector. Okay. His job is to accumulate wealth, do the sacrifices, donate the wealth, okay, give the gift, okay, and then protect the people. That is Kshatriya's duties. And then Vaishya, the third one, is his duties is to look after the cattle, do the trade, okay, so the shops and everything. So do the trade. Those are Vaishya's main duties. And then Shudra's duties is to serving the other 3 groups. Okay, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, serving them is Shudra's duty. So there are 4 varnas, and 4 varnas have their own duties. And what Vedas and Shastra say is, this varnas, there is again classification or the grade. So let's say Brahmana birth and life is considered highest. Kshatriya comes next, Vaishya next, Shudra is next. Okay, so in that order. But again, it is defined by birth, defined by what one does, okay, and it is defined by what's one character is. Okay, so a Brahmin by birth may not be a Brahmin if it does not do Brahmin duties. Okay, a Shudra born as a Shudra, if he has the knowledge and right duties, he could be considered as a Brahmin. Okay, so birth is important. The character and duties, what they do, the acts they do, that's also very important. Act is karma. Okay, so those all define one's varna. Okay, so varna system is kind of fundamental in our dharma. Okay, the reason is everything, the duties depend on the varna system. Okay, so I said there are shared duties, right, which everyone need to do. And then the next level, if you go, is based on the varna system. If you are Brahmin, you are supposed to do these things. If you are Kshatriya, you are supposed to do these duties. This is your duty. If you are Vaishya, you do this. If you are Shudra, you do like this. Okay, so the duties differ based on the varnas. I know a lot of hands are coming up, but we are coming to end of time, but I'll continue this tomorrow as well. Okay, the 4 groups, and I will remind you what I said today, so you can ask the same questions today if you want, write it down as well. Okay, so the key thing is 4 varnas: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, and the duties come after that. Okay, so depend on that, where your birth is, what your karma is, what your acts are, what your character is. Okay, so that's 4 varnas. We'll continue this tomorrow. This is slightly difficult to explain because most of this is not there in today's life. Okay, so we'll continue this tomorrow. Let's close today's class. Achyutaya Namaha, Anantaya Namaha, गोविन्दाय नमः अच्युताय नमः अनन्ताय नमः गोविन्दाय नमः अच्युताय नमः अनन्ताय नमः गोविन्दाय